So I'm basically done with the list that I made for like hospital bag, things I needed to do still before labor and stuff like that. So it's like right here, things to still do, and I'll show you up close. So this is what I need to put away. These are some of the stuffed animals that I washed. Some of the blankets I washed. Technically all the blankets I washed already, but I just need to put everything in its place. And this is the leftover clothes that I washed. A few in my little bin because I washed like a few more like presents that they gave us. But this is mainly, I already put like all the little clothes away, but this is just mainly like the washcloth and the little bibs and some socks. Okay, so I organized so all the bibs there, all the socks here, little mittens, and washcloths. I already lost one little pair though, so I don't know what happened to that. So I washed these. I do have more extra because they gave me a lot. So one of my friends actually gave me some of hers, like from her baby, and then in the baby shower they gave me like a whole bunch. So this is what I have for now, and if I see that I need more, I'm gonna be washing them later on. Also with the socks, so I can wash later. So I have them in this little basket for now, just like for probably her first month or so, because these are pretty small. And then as the months go, I'll just switch them out and then go from there. Now I'm lint rolling some of the bibs because when I was washing it, I washed it with some blankets and all the little fuzz got on it. So I'm gonna be doing that with most of these. A lot of these did shrink, even though I put them on delicate, they still shrunk. But at least I could use those when she's like little, and then use later on, like buy new ones for later. So I actually forgot I had a little bag for these, so I'm gonna be switching that and fitting whatever I can in this little basket, since this is more like cleaning. Bibs, I could use this for like bibs, not really bibs, but to like wipe her vomit or something, whatever I need it for. I'll see. Change of plans again, so I put all the little bibs here because they weren't fitting here, so the little washcloths here with some bibs, like longer bibs there, and then the rest here. And then like I said, I'm gonna put those in a little bag, like a little pineapple bag that I have. Forgot where I left it though, so I had to look for it. I found the missing sock. That's why I needed to declutterize here. I mean organize here. Okay, so I cleared it all out. Now I just need to put what I need to put here, like the pillows. I might be taking that out later because I don't know how it's going to be, but I still need to clean that up and put everything else in its place. Lot of blankets, so I don't know if they're all gonna fit here, but I'm trying to shove them all the way in the back because I have her shoes here, and then I have like the little shower towels, little washcloth, and the bibs here, so I might have to be moving some things to make it all fit. I don't know if to have it like that or the other way around, like that. Not sure. I'll leave it like that for now. I decided to just put all the little stuffed animals in a little basket and then just leave maybe one there with those up there. I already did my hospital bag as well, so I'm probably going to do a separate video for that too. Except for, actually, never mind. I still need to buy a few things for the hospital bag. So I'm just going to wait for that. Probably tomorrow or another day. If I'm not rushing because I still need to work tomorrow. But basically, I'm almost done with everything. Except for the hospital bag. Like I said, I need to buy a few more things. And I need to still wash and sterilize the baby bottles and the pacifiers, and I still need to install the little car seat in the car. Okay, so basically I already registered for the hospital. I did turn in my restrictions form already. I just need to update it because they said it needed to be a little bit more specific. But basically I did that. Requests. Oh, I still need to do that actually. So I still need to request to get my maternity leave, like give them the actual day. So I am gonna see the doctor tomorrow, and I thought I was able to last a little bit longer, but I'm already getting tired, and yeah, a lot of things are hurting already, so I need to get that soon. Declutter room, I already technically did that. Now I need to organize it and clean it, so kind of halfway. Fix crib, I already put the things away so it's not cluttery. Put remainder of the wash clothes away that I had in a little bin, which I already did that, but since I got new blankets, now those are dirty. But basically the wash clothes are done. Pack hospital bag, like halfway, so I'll just leave that. And then I just need those. Oh, so I guess it's a little bit more than what I thought I had. So I thought it was basically done, but I still need a few things. Yeah, almost, but not quite. So finally all clean and all set. And I added the lights. I'm not gonna have all of them turned on, but every once in a while turn one or two on. So I know there's still time for the due date, like September 15th. We're on the 22nd, but I need to make sure because I'm starting to feel pain already, like on my back, my legs. It's I feel like she's gonna be coming soon. And they did tell me that since I have gestational diabetes, they did an ultrasound and they told me that the baby's head is a little bit big, not a lot, but they weren't really concerned about that. They were more concerned about her belly. They were saying that it's pretty big. So supposedly she's 8 pounds right now, or about 8 pounds, and if she keeps going each week, it's gonna be half a pound each week, and she's almost gonna be like a 10-pounder baby by then. So they've been kind of giving me different ultrasounds. I've been going to a lot of doctors. So one ultra tech didn't really mention anything about C-section, but then another one kind of did. Yeah, so like one doctor didn't really mention it, but then there was another doctor, like from the diabetes center. He was checking, he said everything looked fine, my numbers were fine, the diet was fine, but the belly, yeah, so he did mention the belly being a little bit big, and he said there might have to be a C-section and that he would want to deliver me a week before. But he's not my regular doctor, so I'm gonna have to, they're gonna change me doctors soon, so I'm gonna have to be talking to my doctor that's gonna deliver me and see what's really gonna happen. So that's gonna happen on the 27th. So we're gonna see then exactly what's gonna happen, because right now it's just kind of assumptions or what they want, because there's like so many doctors, they're telling me different things. It was similar but also like different things, so I have to wait for that. finished finally sterilizing the bottles and washing them. So that's another thing that I'm done. So I'm gonna be eating now. Made some Alfredo pasta with broccoli and then eggplant pizzas. So good though. Alright, so I finished the to-do list. All I need is this one, but I might just wait a little bit longer or maybe until that day just because I drive people around in the car. But there it is. One step closer for baby girl to come. We're all excited and can't wait to have her. So let's see how long it takes for her to come. See you guys soon. Bye.